Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by immediately assessing how the bumper fell and what's reusable. With the car secure and chalked, remove loose debris and test each clip by hand to find which tabs are broken versus salvageable. Once done, lay out your 10 mm socket, trim tool, bolts, and zip ties so you don't hunt mid-repair. Organization speeds the job and prevents further damage. You need a mental map of attachment points and damaged areas before you attempt reattachment. You now align the bumper precisely to the body seams and light housings so gaps sit even. Misalignment causes stress and refailure. While a helper holds the bumper, loosely fit one bolt or clip to index its position, then progressively fasten opposite points to draw the panel in evenly. For broken plastic tabs, replace them with short bolts and washers into factory holes, and reinforce underside tabs with a small metal bracket or zip tie. You finish by tightening all fasteners evenly. Stop when plastic compresses, but before it strips, because over-tightening creates new failure points. Once secure, press the bumper edge and listen for movement, then take a short low-speed drive to confirm no rubbing or rattling. If alignment or gaps persist, add thin shims or slightly longer bolts and use foam tape to quiet rattles. Troubleshooting tip: if the bumper separates again, inspect for unseen cracked mounts. Add a metal reinforcement plate and rebolt through stronger structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.